Oh, Cesar Aguila moving up on the answer now is Grace Parkboy, the Human Torch. Pampangueño comes next. Movie title, Yani Noyana, Prince Lau, and trailing the group is Kulit Bulilit. Grace Parkboy, Aguila is running by Drala. Then racing in third, Pampangueño, the Human Torch in fourth. Movie title in baby, Yani Noyana, Prince Lau, and Kulit Bulilit still racing in last with Grace Parkboy, the leader by Alenga. Aguila still in second, Pampangueño in third. The Human Torch moving up on the outside. Fifth comes Movie Title, and a long way back to Yani Noyana, Prince Lau, and Kulit Bulilit. Grace Parkboy still the leader by Alenga. Aguila now trying to get closer in second. Pampangueño in third. Here comes Movie Title in fourth. Aguila, Grace Parkboy, Pampangueño, Movie Title on the outside. Grace Parkboy, Aguila is running by the Movie Title in the last. They come down at the last of the day. Aguila, Grace Parkboy, Movie Title on the outside. Aguila, Grace Parkboy, Movie Title is on the outside. But it's still Aguila, Grace Parkboy on the outside. Movie Title, Aguila, Grace Parkboy, Movie Title, Aguila, Grace Parkboy, entering the finish, and it's Aguila, Grace Parkboy, then comes Movie Title, Pampangueño close with Yani Noyana.
Okay, bayang karerista, para po dito sa inyong race number 4, ang ating pong unofficial winner numero 4, Aguila. Llamado ito para sa inyong Peak 5 event. Mase segundo numero 7, Grace Parkboy. Numero 6, Movie Title. Numero 8, Pampangueño. At papasa sa inyong Pentafecta. Numero 3, Yani Noyana. That's 4, 7, 6,